Are you wondering how to make it through the holiday season unscathed? I'll give you some ideas for making peace this holiday season in the next
AweVenture!
The holidays are a great time to connect with family and friends and remember what's important about life and relationships. It can also be a challenging time to connect or to avoid sticky subjects that are sure to cause stress. There's no easy fix for relationships, but there have been a lot of studies done on how to minimize conflict and maximize positive interactions. And I can explain one trick with a simple cookie. See, the other day I made a full batch of chocolate chip cookies. They were absolutely wonderful, and each bite was filled with mouth-watering chocolate chunks. In fact, every time I went to the kitchen, I couldn't help but just break off a little piece of cookie and have myself a snack. So how did I avoid eating the whole batch of chocolate chip cookies? Simple. I stayed busy. You see, I had a very important project that I was working on, and I was too busy to pay attention to anything, including my desire to have those cookies. You can do the same thing in your interactions. Quite simply, find an activity that you can all do so that you can stay busy and enjoy your time together. Perhaps you can put a puzzle together, or play a card game, or a game like charades. Having a positive activity to do can leave less time for conflict. Another thing you can do is something that they did in several studies. In one study in particular, they had people break down large words into smaller four-letter words. One group was given words like appreciate, patiently, polite, and yield. Another group was given words like aggressively, rude, bother, and disturb. Now, each group, when they were done, they had to bring their papers where they had created those words to an experimenter. That experimenter would always be talking with somebody. This was actually part of the experiment. What they found is that the participants that had the list of rude words would interrupt the experimenter on average 4 minutes earlier than the other group. Now, this is something called priming, and we can use it to our advantage for positive interactions. If you want to have great interactions with people, then you want to talk in positive terms about the way you want to experience the day. For instance, use words like fun, exciting, enjoyable to make the day a wonderful experience. Finally, be active. It's one thing to stay busy, it's another thing to be active. For instance, you can go for a nice walk, or you can do some fun activities, or you could go for a wonderful holiday scavenger hunt. There are all kinds of ways to have a peaceful holiday season. Some of the best are to stay busy, prime people around you with positive words, and stay active. Now, I hope you try a few of these out to have a wonderful holiday season, whether it's a get-together with friends or connection with family. Either way, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season as you find where your adventure will take you. Be sure and like this video and share it with friends, and subscribe so that you know when new videos are available. Additionally, you can go to our website at AweVenture.com to get more ideas on how to build amazing scavenger hunts. And you can sign up for our free ebook on how to add more adventure to your life. You can also download our app in the App Store to build amazing scavenger hunts in seconds. And your first family adventure is on us. I hope you have a wonderful day full of adventure as you find where your adventure will take you.